Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2006 Ford Expedition and I will show you how to remove and replace the front headlight and the light bulbs. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2003 all the way up to 2006. Now my Expedition was hit in the front left side, so I'll have to remove all the headlights, the bumper, to replace a couple of parts, but this side was not damaged, so I will just demonstrate how to remove the headlight. Now the first thing you want to remove, you'll have two 10mm screws on the top of the headlight, one here and one here, so remove those. Now once you remove these two top screws, the headlight will be kind of loose, but you still won't be able to pull it out. So what you want to do next, you want to remove this top torx screw, which is actually holding the bumper, because just by removing it you will get much more space here to work with. You'll be able to pull the bumper a bit off, enough to pull the headlight out. Your other option is to completely remove the front bumper, then you will have lots of space to work with, but that's just not necessary. Just by removing and loosening up a couple of screws, that will do it. Okay, to remove this one I'm using Torx T27. Okay, now once this is all nice and loose, next thing you want to do, you'll have one 10mm screw just inside this hole, so you want to unscrew it as well, and that should be the last thing holding this headlight in place. Okay, this is quite a long screw, and once you have this guy out, there is nothing else actually holding this headlight, and you can just pop it out. Now, the best idea is grab it through here with one hand and just wiggle it and try to get it off. You'll still have one pin on this side which is gonna hold into the fender, but you just have to kind of pull it out, right? I'll show you here. You see, it's inside this hole, so you can use again like a plastic pry tool or something just to give it some force here, but be careful not to damage the paint here, right? And now the headlight is out. Now all you have to do is disconnect this electrical connector and this light bulb at the bottom. Okay, now to remove this connector, there is like a small black tab on top of it. You just want to press it and wiggle this off. If it wasn't removed for a while, it might be a bit stuck, but that's the idea. Okay, now to replace any of the light bulbs, this one, just want to turn this socket counterclockwise, so all the way down, and pull it straight out. To remove the bulb from the socket, again just pull it straight out and install the new one in. Now these other ones, you want to remove this rubber cover which is right here, and then to pull out the bulb, again you just want to turn it counterclockwise, same thing, and pull the bulb out. That's everything, and same thing goes with this one right here. Very easy to do. I'll show it to you. See, and same thing, down and pull it out. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.